Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be detailing the interior of my Toyota Sienna. First, you're going to want to remove the floor mats, which are always going to be disgusting. Oh, yuck. It is so nasty. Watch this. Yuck. All right, so the first thing I like to do is lay out the floor mats like so. And then we're gonna use some high pressure water to first rinse it off. So here we go. All right, so after you spray it down with water, you're gonna use your tire and rubber cleaner. In this case, I'm just gonna use the Adams Polishes. Typically I use CarPro Retire, but I have a lot of this, so might as well use it up. So yeah, typically you want to do the mats before you wash the car in case it splatters, and you can let it dry as you're washing the car. But man, it was just way too hot today, so I did the exterior, got tired, and now I'm doing the interior because the sun is down. Feels a little bit better. You're gonna want to use a drill gun, or if you don't have one, just use a tire brush. This is just a little bit faster. Let's go back and forth. And just like that, now it's ready to be rinsed off. Before you put the rubber floor mats back into the car, make sure they're completely dry, otherwise you might get mold in your car, because that's just how science works. So what do you need to do your interior detail? Obviously, you don't need the power drill. That was just to make things a little bit easier, but if you have one, cool. If not, you can use a tire brush. Now that we're done with that, you'll need a vacuum. I personally like this normal attachment and this one that has a furry thing. And finally, this one is called For Real, and it's for, you know, dog hair, anything like that. So first we're going to vacuum the entire interior. So you can start with the seats, or you can start here on the carpet. Whatever you prefer will work. All right, so this fuzzy attachment is so that you can vacuum, and here without scratching anything, and here without scratching anything. Same with the dash, you know, and the center console, stuff like that. Maybe the seats as well, get in the crevices. So yeah, let's start using this one. I'll show you what I do to vacuum with it. Here we go. All right, now that the entire interior has been vacuumed, we're going to be wiping down the interior. So what do you need for that, you ask? You're gonna need, well, you don't need this, but it's nice to have. It's from CarPro. It's an interior scrubber. So if you can see, it's like a little bit fuzzy, but it's soft and like thick enough, or what's the word? I don't even know the word, but it's just freaking awesome. So I highly suggest you getting one of these. CarPro Inside, which is my favorite interior cleaner, just because it's pretty cheap. It works really well, and it doesn't stain your leather and your hard plastics. And finally, a couple microfiber towels to wipe down once, you know, to dry it up. All right, so for me personally, I like to start with the DoorDash. Door panel. Yeah, door panel, not DoorDash. So what I do is I spray directly on the mitt and not onto the material itself, just because you don't want to do that. You don't want to overspray and have it splatter everywhere. So just from personal experience, I like to just spray it like so, 2 sprays, and you start from the top to bottom. All right, so now let's get the entire, or the rest of the interior cleaned up with the CarPro inside. So now you can do the seats or the dash. All right, so for the interior window, interior glass, I like to use this window mitt from CarPro and Clarify, also from CarPro, just because I love their products, man. They're just pretty awesome. If you want me to do like a budget detailing for the interior, let me know what products you'd like to see, because I don't really use other products that's off the shelf. I usually just order everything. So yeah, let me know what you like to use. Anyway, spray the waffle side first, and then I like to go left to right. And then on the outside window, you can do up and down. And the reason for that is if you see any streaking, you'll know if it's from the outside or from the inside. So now after wiping it down, you use the soft side and wipe. And that should give you the cleanest freaking window you've ever seen. All right, here's the interior. I know it's a little dark, but man, it looks so good now. And that's how you detail an interior. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. But man, everything is flossy.